Hello everyone, so happy to see you again. We have a simple chiffon cardigan to sew today, and I choose a floral pattern fabric to fit the spring season we have here. Let's get started. Let's make the mini version of it so it's easier to visualize. First, fold the fabric into two. Fold it one more time like this, and then you can cut a rectangular piece on one side. Now you see it looks like a half of a top or a shirt. The next step is to cut straight up just one side of the piece. Now you can visualize what the cardigan will look like. Now you can stitch the underarm and the side of the cardigan and hem all the edges. Let's continue making it in a full size so you can wear it. Start by folding the fabric as I showed you at the beginning of the video. As for the size guide, you can use your favorite tissue. Fold it in a half and lay it on top of the fabric. You can add 6 inches at the side of the t-shirt, and to the bottom it will depend on how long you like it. Now you can start cutting. Let's remove the t-shirt and lay out the piece to do the next step. Let's lay it out. And now you can start cutting the middle front part for the opening. And then you can start hemming all around the edges. I use hemming foot and it looks like this. If you have a serger, you can use it too and stitch all the way around to prevent fraying. But if you don't have a serger, you can hem it all around manually or use hemming foot. That's it, and it's done. Enjoy your lightweight cardigan. Happy spring. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video.